Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add graphs in Excel. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open an Excel sheet and at first make a table or select the data you want for your um, graph obviously, and then go to this insert button and click on the recommended charts option. And here you can see there are numerous chart styles, all charts here, and you can choose different types of charts like columns, pie, line, or whatever in whichever um, way you want to, and just click on any of them. I want this type of charts, so I will click on OK. As you can see, my chart is created. Here you can add your title for your chart, and if you want more information here to be shown, then press the plus icon and click on data labels. You can see the labels are shown, and then there would be a data table if you want to show here the table, and something like that. You can add exist titles for your data and error bars for your data, and yes, you can add whatever you want here to be shown. So yeah, you can also choose where you want to give or place this data to be. Here you can see it can be separated with their names also. So yeah, this is how you can add add chart in your Excel sheet or graph in your Excel sheet in different styles. So hope this video helps you guys. If it does, then please like, comment, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for today.